This is Jeet and welcome to Joy with Jeet. This is a photo story series where we are going to invite one photographer and three amazing photo entries from that photographer every week. We choose one amazing photo among three. Let's see what is there for us in this week. Introducing the photographer of the week, Rahul Nene from Pune, India. Environment and safety management expert by profession, with a vivid interest in offbeat and wildlife travels. A born curious and traveler by heart, he is a multi-genre photographer, a traveler already crossed 34 countries and still counting. The three selected photos for this week from Rahul Nene, these are Bucket List, captured in Corsica, A Childhood Dream, captured in Iceland, and Expedition of a Lifetime, captured in Kibber Village, Lahaul and Spiti. And the photo of the week is Expedition of a Lifetime. This photo simply captured my imagination. ये फ़ोटो लिया गया है हायर हिमालयाज़ में और ठंडियों में, जब इसकी टेम्परेचर -30 तक पहुंचते हैं. एंड दिस स्पेशल ब्यूटीफुल कैट स्नो लेपर्ड, जिसको देखना ही एक भाग्य से कम नहीं. इट इज सिंपली अ sheer luck and it needs tremendous energy, efforts and dedication to capture this animal in a frame. This photo is going to be definitely one of my favorite photo.
This photo has been clicked in the higher Himalayas in the Lahaul Spiti region near the village of Kibber at an altitude of about 14,000 feet and temperatures around -25 degrees Celsius. I had first visited Kibber in 2004 and on a small trek over there we had found some feces of a snow leopard. It was since then that I had carried this dream of seeing a snow leopard in the wild. In 2015, when I visited for the third time, after a hard trek through the snow and temperatures, I could finally see a snow leopard in the wild. If you know, there's a movie called as Secret Life of Walter Mitty, where similarly a wildlife photographer tries hard to see a snow leopard in the wild, and when he finally sees it, he says a statement that beauty does not demand attention. It was a similar moment for me, and this photograph depicts that first glimpse of a snow leopard I had, and that's why it's special to me.
You enjoyed the photo story of this week, seeing the grey coast. What emotions occur to your mind? You can let us know in the comment section. More amazing wildlife photographs from the photographer. You can see his details in the YouTube descriptions of the channel. See you next week again with a new episode, new photographer and a new photograph.